length of the perpendicular from a point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Okay. The given line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let's write the line in intercept form. So divide with minus c on both sides. So now we can write it as x upon minus c by a plus y upon minus c by b is equal to 1. Okay, now let's take the point px1 comma y1 and join it to the points a and b. A and b are the points of intersection of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with the x and y axis respectively. Now the point A is x-intercept minus c by a comma 0 and the point B is 0 comma minus c by b, and we have taken the point P to be x1 comma y1. Now consider the one more thing, we have to find out the length of the perpendicular, that is PM. Okay, so draw a perpendicular from P to the line AB. Now we are going to find the length of PM. Okay, for that one, let's consider the area of the triangle PAB. We are going to find the area of the triangle PAB in two ways. In the first way, we are going to use the formula written here. This is the formula to use when three vertices of a triangle are given. When three vertices of a triangle are given, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3, the formula to find the area of the triangle is given by half of mod x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 of y3 minus y1, x3 of y1 minus y2. Okay, so let's use this formula to find the area of the triangle PAB. Let's consider the first point to be x1 comma y1, second point to be a minus c by a comma 0, and the third point to be b 0 comma minus c by b. Let's use the formula half of x1 of y2 minus y3. So here y2 is 0 minus y3 minus c by b plus x2. The value of x2 is minus c by a of y3 minus y1. y3 is minus c by b minus y1. y1 is y1 plus x3. The value of x3 is 0. x3 of y1 minus y2. The value of y1 is y1 and y2 is 0. Now let's simplify it. Half of x1 of c by b. Let's multiply it. Minus c by a into minus c by b, c square by ab, and minus of minus plus cy1 by a. The last term is 0. Now half of. Now let's find the least common denominator. The least common denominator is AB. Okay. So the numerator becomes ax1, we can write cax1 plus c square plus cby1. Now in the numerator c is common in each term. Okay, so let's factor it out. So we can write it as c by, so in the denominator AB is common, AB. Now it becomes ax1. If we write the by1 term first, by1 plus c by, okay, already we have written AB, so no need to write it. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle PAB. Now let's do it in another way also. Area of triangle PAB is equal to, so we know that the area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. So half into base. So base let's take as AB and height is PM. Half into AB. So we can use the distance formula to find AB. So x square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this becomes, AB becomes minus c by a minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus of minus c by b whole square. So that becomes c square by a square plus c square by b square. So square root of c square by a square plus c square by b square. Multiplied by PM. Okay, if we simplify it, we get half of c by mod c by AB root over a square plus b square. Now let's call it as 1, let's call it as 2. So both 1 and 2 represent the area of the same triangle PAB. So let's make them equal. So here actually PM also there. So half mod C by AB root over a square plus b square of Pm is equal to half, from 1 I am writing C by AB mod ax1 plus by1 plus c. Now we can observe that half is there on both sides, so we can cancel it one time. This one also, mod c by AB, we can cancel it one time. So now we want Pm, so transpose square root a square plus b square to the right side, so that becomes Pm equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the formula for the length of the perpendicular from a point x1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0.